Hi, my name's Stu from the Spa Shop Rotorua, New Zealand. Today we've got a Hotspring Sumatran. Now, we do get a lot of people asking us and get a little bit confused when they're going to change the jet internals in a Hotspring. So this is a twin roto, ball bearings. It's got a threaded part. This spins obviously, and I'll show you the inside there. So we've got the threaded bit in there. Occasionally these jets can actually come apart and leave the threaded bit in there, and this is where some people get confused, and when they get sent the new part they don't quite understand how it goes in. So sometimes you've got to use some long nose pliers and just unwind the threaded bit in if it's come detached, and basically it is as simple as you don't need tools. Sometimes you might need to use long nose to get it out or in, but basically just sit in there. I'm just going to use my 2 fingers, and I'm just going to slowly wind it in. I have put a little bit of silicone grease on this just to help with the thread going in there. Sometimes you need to wipe the thread out internal with a rag, just to get any sand or grit. So that's basically a new jet internal. You don't generally need to replace the face. You can upgrade them to the stainless steel, but yeah, that's basically changing a Hotspring Jet all the way up to 2000 and roughly, I think 2013 is where they started going to the different style jets. But yeah, thanks for watching. Cheers.